Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Spirit. Today we have come with another interesting video on how you can create a logo, which is gaming logo. Basically, everyone needs a gaming logo. While you want a DP and you want to set a DP to your profile picture of your PUBG or PUBG Lite or Call of Duty, any powerful game, you have to create a logo, which is very difficult. But today I will show you which is a easy way to create a logo. First we have to download a logo maker, that is logo maker for games. You will get it on Play Store. I haven't uploaded video from almost 2 weeks because I have exam now, so I was unable to upload videos. So now I am available now. From now I can upload all the videos. So let's begin this video. First we have to open the Play Store and esports logo maker. You have to download and open that. The link is in the description. You can go and download it from there. Yeah, after loading you can see here the logo is already here. Here you can see the rectangle option creating showing the option that create export logos. Click on that. Let's wait, that is going on. Let's skip the ad. And here you can see like this, you can see our gaming. See, you can increase the gaming size, the logo size, and see, and this is second time the logo came. Otherwise you can do like this also. Make this a little big one and make this a little big one. Here you can see this. In PUBG you can make it as squad, not the squad, that is the duo. You can make it the duo one and click on the text and you can write here Dio King. Then click on add and here see Dio King has been made and settle down properly here. Let's make it roll down and click on it, and you can see down, you can see through many 5 to 10 designs have been made for the text. Click on any one of them and you can see that is made, and increase the size as you wish. Color, you can give color to it, any color you want. And let me give it white, no blue, red, let me see red. Okay, red. Here when you go to the third, that means the fourth icon, that is the graphics, you can see here ready-made displays. You can see ready-made, everything has become ready-made. Just you have to type your name which you want to put it on it, and you can apply it to it. And after you make it, you can click on save. You can see the last option, that is the save. Click on it and you want to click on JPG. You can see JPG, PNG. You have to click on JPG because if you want to get an image, you want to click on JPG, or if you want to get a GIF GIF, you can click on PNG. Click on JPG. You can see it has been successfully saved. Let's skip the video. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. If you want any other videos, please let me know in the comments down. I will sure make that video. And you can see I have posted a background, that is a soul model. He is my role model on the PUBG. So I have kept the name, and this is my background here. As you can see, it's amazing. So that's all for today, guys. Have a good day. Bye.